Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the basic materials for this video that you will need are like watercolor sheets, which will be of minimum 200 GSM, and you can take any of the size that you want. I'm taking here A4 size. So this is how the sheets basically look like. You need to start from light color to dark onto the specific areas like I am doing. Also, you need to start from the light color to the dark onto the specific areas, like you need to go from the light, dark, darker and the darkest coat. So make sure you paint it in coats. Also, the color dries up very fast, so you need to work wisely and merge the colors well so that it don't look patchy and watery. The top of the painting, which will be dark, to the bottom, what you need to do is you need to use the wet brush to paint so that it automatically gets lighter at the bottom. So you don't need to add any lighter tone color directly till the bottom or to the bottom. Instead, you just need to use the wet brush and the color will automatically like spread till bottom, which will form the light tone. So the best colors that you can use are of the brand Camel. The other brand colors, they look so patchy and give a bad look overall, so I try avoiding other brands colors. So yeah, this can be helpful for you too. Also wait for the tree to get dry, and then using the color, mark the dots so as to make the tree look colorful and embellished. Also for the tree, start from the lighter color and make sure the sides and edges are darker. For the third painting, you need to start painting from the corner, from the light to the dark coats, as I said earlier. And then again, using the wet brush, spread the color to get the light color for the background. Using the white color, you can make the dots, or else you can also use white pen. Using the pointed brush, you can start making the snowflakes. Also practice snowflakes earlier on a rough page, and if you don't want to use a brush, you can use colorful pens as well. Still, there are some embellishments to be done. So what we will be doing is we'll be using the colored pens to embellish the tree. I hope this video is useful for you guys, and if you liked my video, do share it with your friends, and also don't forget to comment down below to motivate me. Bye bye, see you in the other videos.